Hello, this is another video short from Omnivisto HQ. What we have today is the normal kind of thing that we should all be familiar with now. This is a Vistogram. It's an interactive visual for any audience built from schedule data that you've already got. What you can see here is that we're cross-filtering into the table below, and we can obviously see the RAG status of these activities, and we've got that both in the table here with a visual indicator there. And we've also showing whether or not these items are on the critical path. Okay. Now, when we've spoken to members of the community, they've liked this, but they've actually asked us, well, can we actually see that directly on the visual? And so our new version of the software, not quite available yet, but it's coming along in a few days, will do exactly that. So what we can do is we can turn on rags like this, and we'll see those rags directly within the Vistogram here, which is quite useful. It's a bit easier than eyeing them up with the table underneath the Vistogram. And then if I turn those rags off for a second, we can also show the critical path. And the way we do that is we click in here and we've de-emphasized non-critical path items. And you can see that in the pop-up. And the critical path items are left there in bold. Okay. And you're asking, can we do both? Well, yes, we can. So if we enable both of those at the same time, I think that's probably the one I want to show you. Then we're seeing the rags. These items are all green. And we're seeing the non-critical items there. And if we go up a level and look somewhere else, we can see some non-critical items there that are ragged in red. We can see check that those two tasks are actually red, but they're not critical. The amber item there is critical. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.